जिसने ना देखी कभी फितरत के मख्फी राज को, जिसने ना देखी कभी फितरत के मख्फी राज को, कीट और खय्याम की कैसे गज़ल ख़ानी करे। कीट, जॉन कीट, one of the great romantic poet, earthly beauty poet. He has appreciated everywhere the earthly beauties, and many poems of him, especially one of the inspiring poem that I love today, The Nightingales and the Grecian Urns, and Khayyam, one of the great Persian poet. He was not only poet, but through the poet, he has given many medical prescription, a very genius of the Iranian lands. So dear ones, if you are a lover of spring, fullness of spring, don't fear autumn or you are insane. Master Salim Azmi.